point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck!
Whoa.
Useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
Oh no. Oh my god!
We got the generator.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Link your stab blasters.
We have him contained, but not for long.
We're orbiting the moon! Wow! That's crazy.
Remind me to raise our rate.
Wow, there's another effect you're supposed to get, but it's stacked. It's okay. It's a preview. They can work all those things out. But yeah, that gives me chills how good that ride was.
The Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new cars.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
Yeah, I can't wait to do this again one day. And dual stations. Dual unload stations. Like what?
Alright guys, thanks for making it all the way to the end of the video.